today I would love to share with you this awesome bed vacuum cleaner. This product has a super powerful motor of 500 watts. It also has a suction power of 13 kilopascals, which is very powerful. And in addition, the beading, it's also powerful, guys. So this product right here comes with an LED display right there that shows you the percentage index of mites. So you have two different color notations. If you see it green, it means that it's clean. If you see it red, it means that you should go ahead and do a deep, thorough cleaning with this awesome vacuum. So this vacuum not just vacuums your bed, your mattresses, your sofas, couches, pillows, and any other item you want to vacuum, but it also helps you kill the mites and other type of microorganisms thanks to this UV light that it's also included in this awesome vacuum. So this UV light will be activated as soon as these two rolls get in contact with the surface. If it's not in contact, it will automatically turn off the UV light, and that is basically for safety reasons. So this awesome product also comes with a dual filtration system. These are HEPA type of filters that will allow you to filter out up to 99.97% of microorganisms up to 0.3 micrometers in size. And lastly, guys, it comes with a super long power cord of 16 feet that I think it's super convenient. That way you can reach more far away spaces around your house, making it very easy for you to clean. Again, you can use it for your bed, mattresses, pillows, sofa, couches, your accent chairs, and so much more. I'll see you next time. Bye.